Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to dismantle the exhaust pipe as well as put them back. Okay, so you got to have a set of Allen keys. Okay, because most of the screws can be dismantled by the Allen keys. So I just need to check the right size. We need to basically dismantle this part, the cyclone as well as the beam, collective beam. All right, so we need to do this one first. So okay, my bad. So there should be 3 screws here. It can be but tight. So but I only got 2 here. Just make work easier. Okay, just don't take the whole things out yet. I would actually unscrew this part just by hand would be fine. And what you do is okay, you can see now the whole part is a little bit loose, right? Just be careful with it because you still have some weight to it. Okay, so just make sure you don't lose the pieces. Put away here, and then now you will need to, because this now can come off. Okay, so you just need to take out these ones, and then you can basically remove horizontally. Okay, so just have another hand just to try to push it up a bit so it doesn't fall off straight away. This is basically just a basic demonstration. Okay, if you have better way, you're welcome to do so. Okay, so yep, it's detached. Okay. Okay, so now you need to disconnect this. Make sure that the power is all off. Okay, you cannot disconnect while rotor is operating. Okay, so no electricity on. Okay, you're supposed to actually disconnect this prior you dismantle detach the whole thing. All right, so I can put away this just for now. Okay, because we don't need this part. So we're gonna take this out. It's actually loose after that thing is removed. So we just need to turn a bit, just to a right angle where there's. I'll show you. Okay, so after you detach the exhaust pipe, you should find 2 screws here, which will actually go through this hole. Okay, so you need to turn at the right angle. I hope the camera can see it. Yeah, go through there. All right, now you need to make sure the second one actually needs to the first screw inside the pipe have to go through that hole at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so you just need to fiddle around a bit. Okay, if you're still able to tilt in any angles, that means it's not inserted. But after you fiddle around a bit, you should able to see a little bit that you're still able to actually fit the gap fielding, as you can feel it. Now you need to turn this way. Okay, because I remember this sign was at front of us, in front of you, so you need to turn downwards. Okay, and that's now actually a little bit difficult part. Okay, you need to push back the exhaust a little bit. Okay, and try to turn the exhaust, and now you are able to turn, right? But still, you need to make sure it's actually in there. So if you see, the second screw actually inside as well. Okay. Yep. So this will be the right way. Okay. I do suggest at the beginning, before you take out the exhaust, maybe you can do a marking here, so you know that you need to come back here and at this point. All right, so now we can put it back. Let's put the 2 screws here, and then you might need an extra person to help you, okay, to lift up the cyclone, and then screw back. Wait. So I'm not gonna tighten it straight away. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on. I need a little bit gap. Yep. Okay. Put the string back on. Okay, actually other way around. This one you simply can use your hand. Okay, and now we'll come back here and make sure this is tightened up. Okay, here we go. And then we're plugging back in. We'll plug back in, screw tight. That's it. Done. Quite simple way to do it. So, yep, here we go. Thank you.